For example, we all know that THC, if you study when you're high, you're not going to remember anything the next day for your test. Or if you take Adderall when you're studying, you might remember more for your test the next day, otherwise known as amphetamine. But what's really cool with these two drugs is that they actually converge in their effects. If you administer those drugs during memory retrieval, so you study sober and now you take your memory test, you'll actually produce a bunch of garbage. You'll end up having what's known as false memories. You'll say you saw a bunch of things that you didn't actually see. And this is probably an even more interesting effect. So with alcohol, everybody knows if you study drunk, you're not going to remember anything the next day for your test. However, if you study sober and get drunk immediately afterwards, you'll actually remember more for your test the next day than had you not drank at all. This is known as retrograde facilitation. It's actually been an effect that's been shown since like 1980. It shows up with other GABA A positive allosteric modulators like benzodiazepines and Ambien. And we've shown it in the lab. We've shown it with all kinds of different delays, different stimuli, et cetera. So, I don't want to say everybody should get wasted after this, but I am saying that it's a very robust effect that's been shown around the world.